All right guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing another range test with 3 Epoch batteries in parallel. Notice here on the driver's side, you have the front one and the back one in parallel going down to the distribution block. The distribution block is now going to the front passenger battery, but the rear passenger battery is not hooked up. So we have 3 batteries in parallel. And on today's video, we're going to be doing a 90 amp hour range test. Now, in the last range test, we did 20 miles and we did a 60 amp hour capacity range test. So will we get 30 or will we get more? That will be determined today. Looking at the X-ray speedometer, I went ahead and reset everything today. It says it's 84 degrees outside. It's sunny and it's 11:48 a.m. right now. Yesterday we ran into some rain and today we shouldn't. Beautiful day outside today for a range test. Enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the GoPro on and start going. See exactly how far we can get. I'm gonna also turn the phone on and to monitor the miles, the distance, and the time as well. We are also starting at 52.8 volts and 99%. I want to go ahead and register that as well. All right guys, so on today's video, we're back with the epochbatteries.com. Once you get to the landing page or the home screen here, this is what it's going to look like. We're going to come over here to voltage, choose 48 volts. We're going to scroll down to the 90 amp hour battery kit, and this one right here. It's $23.99. See, it was regular price $26.99. They're selling it for $23.99. We're going to click this. Okay, so if this is your first time viewing one of the Epoch videos on my channel, these are lithium iron phosphate chemistry, 3 batteries, 90 amp hour capacity. Each battery is 30 amp hours capacity. Each battery is 60 amp hours continuous, so 3 of them is 180 amps continuous, 300 amps peak for 10 seconds. It includes a 22 amp IP67 rated waterproof charger. We're going to go over everything that's included with this kit below. Let's just scroll down here some. All right, what's next here is what's included. So in this kit, you're going to have 3 batteries here. They're going to give you their own battery meter fuel gauge right here. You're going to get an IP67 onboard charger, a DC to DC 48 volt to 12 volt reducer. You're going to get enough battery cables to power the batteries themselves. These are 24-inch long. You get a positive and negative per battery, and these are 4 gauge. You're going to get enough data cables to hook them all together, a parallel bus bar, a NOCO AC port plug. Now what this does is if you want to mount your charger on board, you can do so and hook it into your batteries. Then you can mount the NOCO on the body of your golf cart. Then the only thing you have to do is install but the only thing you have to do is plug in an extension cord to charge the batteries. They also include a battery lifting strap as well, so you can remove the old lead acid batteries from your golf cart or install the new batteries. Some of the tech specs of these batteries here: 51.2 volts nominal. The max charge is 57.6 volts. The operating range is between 40 to 57.6. This is a 16 cell configuration here. There's some more specs right here you can check out, but these are the same size as your lead acid batteries, so these are perfect for any golf cart. It does not matter if you have an older golf cart from the 80s or a brand new 2023 golf cart, it'll still work. Shows you a battery connection configuration guide. Okay, so we've already saved $300 by visiting Epoch Batteries, but I'm going to show you how to save a little bit more. We're going to go to checkout. So remember, it was $26.99 to begin with, but once you visited Epoch Batteries, it came down to $23.99, so you saved $300 there. Then if you use my coupon code, you'll save an additional 10%, so that's $239.90. and that comes out to be $21.59.10. Add shipping. Now, here's how I did my shipping. On the left-hand side here, I got my name, but I did 100 Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, California, 90210. I figured that was the furthest away, Atlanta, Georgia. So shipping total is $114.17. So you can get these batteries to your door for $22.73 and 27 cents. So shipping may be even cheaper to your location. You know, I made sure to put this to the farthest location that I could find, you know, in America from the company. And I just wanted to show you how you could save some money with this company as well. So I also wanted to point out here on the landing page, 90 amp capacity. It says 40 miles of runtime for your standard golf cart. My golf cart is not your standard cart. It has an aftermarket motor and a controller by Navitas. It has an AC kit in it, 5 kilowatt motor, 600 amp controller. So as fast as you go on a stock cart, you could probably get those numbers, if not more. But since I'm running mine around 30-35 miles per hour in today's video, my range time came in a little bit less than these numbers right here. I want to go ahead and update you here. It is 12:22 p.m. We've gone 10 miles. We've been doing this for 27 minutes and 41 seconds. Voltage is still high. Over here on the phone, it says we've been going for 9.5 miles, 18 miles per hour average, 35 miles per hour max. So the gauge is saying 66%, I believe. Or yeah, 52.6 volts. All right, so it's 12:48 p.m. We've been riding for 18 miles or 18.36 miles. We've been riding for 49 minutes and 50 seconds. Battery is saying 52.4 volts. Look down here at the battery gauge, 52.3 volts. It says 41% battery left. Look over here on the phone, it says we've done 17.5 miles, 18 average, 35 miles per hour max. We've been going for 57 minutes and 14 seconds. All right guys, we've gone 30.55 miles on the X-ray speedometer. It's 1:32 p.m. Our run time today has been 1 hour, 27 minutes and 57 seconds. We're 50.4 volts. The phone is saying 29.2 miles, 17 average, 35 max. The little meter's blinking. It's like 5% or 4%. Let me show you the great thing about lithium, okay? We're almost dead. And it still wants to pick the front tires off the ground. Check this right here out. That's one thing I love about lithium. Lead acid would never do that. So there it is, guys. We've made it back to the truck here. We've done 30.81 miles. It's got a little bit juice in it. Probably go another mile or two. So we've done 30 miles today on today's test. The phone is showing 29.48 miles, 35 max, 17 miles per hour average. The phone says 100 hour and 42 minutes. We've been riding constantly, stop and go traffic. And if you notice here, we're still on these two, and we're on that one there as well. And that mount came off probably because it's so bumpy around this town. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching today's video. So it looks like we are getting around 10 miles per 30 amp hours of battery capacity. So next test, we're going to do 4 of these batteries together.